So our first step is going to be right over here in the dairy section.
Joel eats grits 3-4 times a week.
Yes, hey, Joel and Christy here. We are at Walmart.
What's up?
Yep. All right, we are going to go buy some groceries. We're going to let you know what we buy at Walmart. And if you would like to see that, and maybe a few other things, and maybe us talk about a taste test video that we're going to do, stay tuned. If you're curious how we do our grocery list, how we keep up with it in the store, Joel actually holds it on his phone. We have Google Sheets. We have it linked to both of our phones, but he usually goes through it while we're doing this because I'm recording these clips. Yep. So our first step is going to be right over here in the dairy section. Cheese. We could have gotten this cheese at Aldi. Didn't think about it. We occasionally will forget that. Occasionally the cheese
here is usually cheaper than
usually, yeah. But sometimes if they have cheese as an Aldi find, then it might be cheaper, and we didn't look to see if it was still an Aldi find. But we're getting that 2-pound block of cheddar right there. $6.96. Picking up this double of crescent rolls at, for $4.96. You can get the singles at Aldi and Walmart for the exact same price, but if you get the double, you save like $1. Grabbing one thing of andouille sausage, $3.76. We're getting yogurt. I got the Chobani zero sugar Greek yogurt, and it is $5.97. It's 13 grams of protein, but only 70 calories. And the one that Joel's getting is the regular. It is not zero sugar. It's 14 grams of protein. Same price though. Joel decided to get the carton of Italian sweet cream instead of the bottle. And I think it's $2.76 for the bottle, $5.12 for the carton. But it's savings of about 6 cents.
It's double the price and save 6 cents on it.
Save 6 cents. So, okay, so just to be clear, that is a savings of 0.6 cents per ounce. I'm at 2 of these snack packs, one chocolate, one vanilla. I'm just having a little toothache issue and I can't get into the dentist yet, so I'm wanting soft food right now. $1.64 each. Picking up some ginger tea. $4.46. We're grabbing these grits right here, quick grits. And they are $3.17. And yeah. Joel eats grits 3-4 times a week.
Yes,
yeah, he do. We're getting a 5-pound bag of the long grain, and it's $3.34. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're grabbing this 3 cheese tortellini. It's like 3 pounds. It lasts for obviously several meals for us. $6.77. Now, this is for the taste test. If you saw the Aldi video, you know that we're going to do taste test between their version and the Uncrustables. We are grabbing this bag of broccoli florets. We always are careful to get the broccoli florets, not the broccoli cuts, because that has some of the stem in it. If you prefer to have the florets to just stems, make sure you're getting florets. Grabbing a bunch of bananas. They're 50 cents per pound, so it means I'm not sure what the total will be. I'll put it on the screen for you. It has been a while since you have seen French bread in our cart. Our son has decided he wants French bread pizzas again, like he was eating that like 2 years ago every day for lunch, and so he decided he wants to go back to it. $1.62 for French bread now. I think it was $1. Yeah. All right. We're buying this 1-pound container of spinach. It's $5.74. If you saw Aldi haul, you'll see why we chose to get it here instead of there, and it's mainly because even though Aldi's was on an Aldi find, the price wasn't as low as it was here at Walmart. We're buying one of these green bell peppers. It's 86 cents for each. If you caught our price comparison video, we showed that the price of the green bell peppers have gone down 12 cents since last year. If you want to see what other things have either gone up or gone down, be sure to check out that video. We'll link it in the description. All right, and we're getting this thing of organic strawberries, $5.62. You might wonder, why don't you get your strawberries at Aldi? Well, because recently they have started putting on their label $5.29 per pound, which would be a little cheaper, but the container that they have there is not per pound, it's 8 ounces. So I don't know what is going on with that, why they won't correct their label, but yeah. We're also grabbing some blueberries, $4.56. Same reason that we didn't get the strawberries at Aldi. It's the same reason why we're not getting the blueberries there. Their pricing is not, it's not that good when you realize it's not a whole pound that you buy. You're getting less than a pound. We also needed some broccoli. They're $2.18 per pound. We'll put the total on the screen for you. We're also picking up a garlic bulb. They're 64 cents each bulb.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul, and it was how much?
$85.07.
Okay.
We did have a little tax added, and we're not exactly sure
Yeah,
what.
because we didn't buy any household essentials.
Yeah,
we're a no tax on food state, and so no sales tax on food state. It's when you're buying your groceries anyway, but we don't know what it came from. So
yeah, it was like 28 cents, so it made the total $85.35.
That's right.
So $85.07 without that little bit of tax that we don't know exactly which item it was that required that. It was probably the Uncrustables or something.
Maybe so.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, because anything that maybe it thinks isn't a necessity.
Maybe so.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how that works. But anyway, that's the whole thing. Be sure to come back because Wednesday we will have a grocery haul video from Sam's Club. And then the next Monday, I think, is when our taste test videos will go up.
Okay.
So it'll be a taste test between Uncrustables and the Aldi version of Uncrustables. And then also a taste test between the Oreos and then Aldi's version of Oreos.
Okay.
So if you'd like to see if the generics hold up to the name brands, be sure to come back for that video too.
That's right. All right, I think that's going to do it today for saving money for the long run with Joel and Christy. Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.